I think whatever Justice Chalameshwar has told you is the whole of it. It's a discharge of a debt to the nation that has brought us here, and we think that we have discharged a debt to the nation by telling you what is what. More is there in the letter. Beyond this, I don't think there is any other issue we need to address.
How is the cause taken forward? That's the question.
Sir, one small thing.
Where is the letter?
I'll just get it in a minute. Can you, sir? Verma?
It is an issue of assignment of a case, which is an issue raised in that letter.
So this is about lawyers thing.
Is it about lawyer?
Yes.
So may I ask you a question, please?
Okay, so there we heard Justice Gogoi when he was asked, is this, and this question was asked repeatedly, is this about the Judge Loya case? And he just says yes. He says it very briefly and he says it almost under his breath, but he does say yes. So the trigger appears to be the fact that these judges were unhappy with the assigning of the Judge Loya case. In fact, as they said, 4 of them met the Chief Justice of India this very morning to once again press their demands about what they believe is a more fair manner in which these cases should be heard. Now, let's just go across to my colleague Saurabh Gupta, who joins me from Mumbai and who was also tracking the story about the very many questions that were raised by the death of Judge Loya, and also the allegations made by the family that attempts were made to now try and even pressure Judge Loya to give a favorable verdict in that particular Sohrabuddin case. Now, Saurabh, this has been building up, hasn't it? Because there have also been petitions by lawyers and by lawyers associations in Mumbai who've been approaching the court to try and get some kind of hearing for this case, to open up an investigation into this case. And now the tremors have reached all the way up to the Supreme Court.
Well, that's right. And in fact, I've been reporting on that petition that was filed by the Bombay Lawyers Association. And the Bombay Lawyers Association in that petition asked the High Court specifically to do one thing, and that is, of course, to set up a commission of inquiry, a judicial inquiry, to be headed by, a Supreme Court judge. And that is something that the petition filed by Advocate Ahmed M. Abdi in the Bombay High Court very clearly states. Now, the reason for doing this, according to the petitioner, is that there has to be clarity in Judge Loya's death case. And as you heard in that press conference today, also many people brought up Judge Loya's name and whether what has been going on regarding Judge Loya's death. There are several unanswered questions, and even the petition states that there has to be independence of the judiciary, and if a member of the judiciary is under pressure